Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dr. Nurhafiza Ma'arifi. Will be your instructor to discuss about the learning objective for Chapter 1 for courses Computing Project Management, which is ISP 640. Okay, first of all, we would like to see what is the learning objective 2. Okay, it is about to describe the project life cycle, the system development life cycle, and their relationship. Okay, now, first we have to know what is the definition of project life cycle. We can define project life cycle as a collection of logical stages or phases that maps the life of a project from its beginning to its end in order to define, build, and deliver the product of the project. For example, we build the new information system. Apart from it, projects are divided into phases to increase manageability and reduce risk. There are several terms that we use in project phases, such as phase exits, stage gates, or kill points. And there are actually decision points at the end of each phase to evaluate performance or to correct problems or cancel the project. Furthermore, we also have a fast tracking, which is the overlapping of phases to reduce the project schedule. Now, in this diagram, you can see that this is what we call as generic project life cycle. Okay, so in a project life cycle, we have 5 phases, which start with define project goal, and then followed by plan project. And the third phase is execute project plan. The fourth phase is a close project, and the last phase is evaluate projects. So these 5 phases will be a progress that we will manage from start to finish of the project. Whereas for system development life cycle, as a generic system development life cycle, we have five phases. Okay, start with planning, then followed by analysis, design, implementation, and the last phase is maintenance and support. So how we can relate project life cycle and system development life cycle? Okay, you can see from this diagram, okay, the relationship between the project life cycle and the system development life cycle. Okay, here the relation from project life cycle towards system development life cycle actually happen in the third phase of project life cycle, which is execute project plan. So any IT project management, when the progress was in execute project plan, they have to adopt the system development life cycle for executing the project plan. So any kind or any types of system development life cycle can be used in these third phases in project life cycle, such as structured approach to system development, such as waterfall method, or iterative development, such as rapid application development, prototyping, spiral development, and extreme programming. So with these types of SDLC, it can be put into practice in the IT project management. So to conclude this learning objective, you have to bear in mind that for any project management to assume as IT project management, they have to adopt SDLC or System Development Lifecycle, the third phases of the project lifecycle. With that, I end my presentation, and I hope that you can have some view about how we relate project lifecycle and SDLC. Therefore, with that relationship, we can assume that we are involved with IT project management. Thank you very much.